Hey, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to explore one of the hidden places of Vani Vilasa Sagara, that is VVS BackWater. So 95% of the people generally visit VVS Dam and they are not aware of BackWater place. So today I will try to show you how the BackWater look. So I want to share brief about VVS Dam before start the actual video. The Vani Vilasa Sagara Dam is also known as Marikanve because this dam is present in Marikanve village. That's why we can also call it as Marikanve Dam, and it is located near Hiriyur, Taluk, Chitradurga district and Karnataka state. So it was constructed during the period of Krishnaraja Wadayar Fort, who was Maharaja of Mysore at the time. It can store a capacity of 30 TMC, and the interesting fact about this dam is Maharaja gave this dam as a gift to his mother, and he named his mother name to this dam, that is Vani Vilasa. So now I can share the road map, so it will be a basic information for you. Like you can also get these details using Google Maps. So once you started from Bangalore, so it would be 160 km to Hiriyur. Then from Hiriyur to VVS Dam, it would be some 16 to 18 km. Once you completed visiting the VVS Dam, then it would be around 16 km to reach the VVS backwaters. But 99% of the people do not get a chance to go here. So now let's start exploring the VVS backwater after visiting the dam. So we need to travel 16 km towards Hosdurga. So you will get an arch called Bevinahalli Arch. So on the left side, so there you need to go 6 km at the end to reach the backwater. So this place is really super cool. Generally 95% of the people do not used to visit this place. It means it's an hidden place for most of the peoples because they don't know the route to reach this place. Actually I also visited this place for the first time. So my experience, so this place is amazing. You will feel like you are sitting on beach shore with no one around you, and you keep on listening the wave sound. So and you will simply feel there is an extreme peace established between you and the that water. So I totally recommend. It's a worthy place to go around, sit for sometimes, take long breath, and you will simply you will definitely get peace here. So and you can also visit Kariyamma Devi temple on that village only. You need to go on top of the hill. Yeah, vehicles can easily go on top of the hill, and from the top you will get a scenery to view the entire backwater. So as per the localites, this VVS dam backwater, it still extended another 12 km towards Hosdurga, but from Bevinalli this is the best view I saw. I think I gave all the basic information about this with video also, with detailed video also. I hope this video gave you ample of information. See you in the next video. Please do subscribe if you watch the video, and please put comment wherever I can improve. So in the next video I can bring the improvements. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.